In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and tap on all of your photos you want to add. Then send them right away. If you want to take a photo and add it, tap on the same icon, hit photo here, switch your camera to the one you want to use, and take your picture that will be automatically added to your message. And last but not least, the most commonly asked question: what to do if I can't find my photo here? Choose folders at the bottom left corner. Tap on your picture over here, which is Gallery app. Tap on Done at the bottom right corner here, and swipe up. Then send your photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!